Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel today. This is day 3 of me being top dasher, so of course I want to share that with you. I'll take you along with me for a little bit today, and then of course I'll put my totals up at the end of the day so you know how my day went. Had one order come through for like almost 5 miles for $6, and I declined that one, so I'm just kind of waiting for something else to come through, and I'll let you know as soon as I get one. Picking up an order from First Watch. I think it was like 2.6 miles, and it was for $6.50. It was just like 2 or 3 items, so more than likely it's not going to go up, but let's go get it on board. Alright, here's a Pega's Family Restaurant, 5.3 miles for $8. I'll take that. 3 minutes from the restaurant.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. One today?
Actually I'm picking up for Joanna.
Oh, okay. Who is it for?
Johanna or something like that.
Check over there.
Oh, I didn't see that one. I'm sorry.
That's okay, no problem.
Yep, there it is.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Hi, Joanna. I got it in the back. So let's complete the delivery, see what we get. Date $8, still not a bad trip though. It's pretty slow out here this morning. I've made $15.50 in my first hour, so not that great. And Doordash has been sending me a lot of low-paying orders. Alright, since it's so slow right now, I'm going to take a chance on this Hy-Vee grocery order, going 7.6 miles for $11. And most of the mileage is going to be getting over to the store from the looks of it. It's just a delivery order, not a shop and deliver. So, let's go grab it. Grant J.
Grant J?
Yep.
You're Doordash. You got a order number?
I do.
What's the last 3 digits?
Oh, okay. 335.
335?
Yeah.
Alright, you're out of here.
Thank you so much. Alright, so it's 9 minutes, 4.3 miles. Let's go get it to the customer. Hi.
Hy-Vee order?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that for you?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Did you need me to take it up all the way for you? Or
No, that's all right.
you can handle it?
Would you mind coming in and just putting it on the table here?
Yeah, I can do that. I got it. All right, let's see if this one goes up any. Nope, stayed $11. That's alright, it wasn't a bad order. Alright, here's one for $7, picking up at Panera Bread, 3.9 miles. I'll take that one. I'm just 4 minutes from the restaurant, so let's go grab it. Alright guys, 5 minutes, 2.5 miles to the drop-off. This order is actually taking me back into my zone. Thank you. I wanted to ring the doorbell. Alright, let's confirm the order. Oh, $7.50. So it went up 50 cents. Well, Doordash ended my dash. I didn't even know I was paused. There was nothing on my screen at all showing I was paused. But luckily, being top dasher, I can just log right back on, but it still irritates me that they hide it from you, so you can't do anything about it. So, and I was wondering why I wasn't getting anything. It was weird, because it was like totally dead silent. Doordash was trying to send me one for $4 going 2 miles. No, I'm not taking that. So here's one for Mud Pie Vegan Bakery for 9 miles, $7.75. That would be taking me way out of my area. So I'm not taking that either. Here's one for Fuzzy's Taco Shop. 4 items for $6.50. It's $1.91 a mile. I'm gonna go ahead and take that, just because it's so slow right now. And Fuzzy's Tacos a lot of times pays out more. So looks like I'm only 2 minutes from the store. Let's go grab it. So I only made $18 in my 9 o'clock hour, and I'm now working on my 10 o'clock hour. I have this $6.50 on me and it's like $10.40, so I'm probably not gonna make much this hour either. It's been a really slow morning. I sure hope it picks up for the lunch rush. Alright, let's complete this. Oh, went up from $6.50 to $7.50. Alright, one from Wendy's going 3.2 miles, and it's for $6.50, only 3 items. So this won't go up, but it's a short little quick one. I'll take it. It's gonna take me 15 minutes and it's $2.03 a mile. And I'm 4 minutes from the restaurant, so let's go grab it. Alright, this should stay the same. Oh, it went up, surprisingly. From $6.50 to $7.50. Fantastic. Alright, here's a Panera bread for $6.50, going 3.2 miles for 6 items. So it could go up $2.03 per mile, and it's going to take me about 19 minutes to do it. So let's go grab it. Oh crap, I forgot to accept it. Alright, we got this one coming through. It's a stacked order, picking up at Hawaiian Brothers and Panera, going 7.2 miles for 10 items. 18 bucks, guys, $18. It's $2.25 per mile, and it says it's going to take me 46 minutes to do it, but we'll see. So let's accept this. And now let's go grab it. Alright guys, apparently I looked at this order incorrectly. So there's actually 3 orders on this stacked order. So I'm picking up one order from Panera, right there, and then I'm delivering it to Samborski. And then after I do that, they want me to pick up 2 orders at Hawaiian Brothers, but it looks like they're both going to the same person. So this is my first 3 order stack. I'm already here at Panera. Let's go in and grab it. Alright guys, I handed that to the customer. Let's see what we get here. Ah, $7.50 on it. It showed 6. Right there, it showed 6. And I got $7.50. Good deal. Okay, so now I'm headed to do the 2 Hawaiian Brothers. And I'm like 6 minutes away. So let's go grab them. So far that drop off took 20 minutes, so this might take me 46 minutes. Alright, so that Panera, it was a hand it to customer, so I didn't record it, and this is also a hand to customer, so I'm not going to be recording that either, but we'll see the results here in just a minute. Alright guys, let's see what we got on these 2. So $6 on that one. And $7 on the other one. So total $18 is what they offered me, and the final total was $20.50. And it took me about 36 minutes, so not too bad. So as I'm thinking more of that 3 order stacked offer, it just occurred to me that Doordash has once again found a way to make more money for them and take away from the drivers, because they got another 50 cents off of that order. So they saved $1.50 off of that stacked order. Interesting, huh? So I wouldn't be surprised if all of us as drivers start seeing more of that. So in my third hour today, I made $15 per hour. Not too great, that's for sure. Lunch has picked up a little bit, but I still have about 12 minutes left in this hour. So I don't know if I'll get another one or not. But I'll let you know what I end up with in just a little bit. Alright, here's one from Oishi Sushi. 2.2 miles, $6.50. Let me grab it before it's gone. So this probably won't go up. I'm 3 minutes from the restaurant. Let's go grab it. Alright, let's see what we get. $6.50. Got that one right. So I had a $27 hour for my 11 o'clock hour. So I'm starting on the 12 o'clock now. Probably gonna be slow. Today's just been a really slow day. So, I mean, it is what it is. But to me, that just reiterates more the importance of multi-apping. So I'm doing this week as a test, guys, just to see what my market will do with Doordash, because it's been a while since I've done just Doordash alone. Alright guys, I took you along for 4 hours, so I'm going to give you some numbers here and in the video. So for the 4 hours I was out, I made $75.50, Doordash only, of course. So, not a good morning, not a good lunch rush, but you know, you're gonna have those days. So I'm hoping things pick up during the day, or at least this evening, so I can hit my goal today. But I'll let you guys know how my day turned out. Alright guys, let me tell you, today was a disaster. So it got to about 2 o'clock and I was not even quite to $100 yet. So I'd been out for 6 hours, didn't have $100, and I was like, this is not gonna work. This is not happening. I can't afford to keep doing this. So I decided to go ahead and start multi-apping again because Doordash wasn't cutting it today. I think my highest payout on Doordash today was $11. So I'm done testing Doordash. I'm not gonna do any more videos of just doing Doordash to see how much I can make in a week on just Doordash, because I've already seen it's not possible. I was pretty aggravated today. I didn't hit my goal again today. I didn't hit it yesterday. I hit it Monday, but I had to stay out really late. I worked like 11.2 hours to get, you know, to my goal for that day. Okay, so my earnings for today were Doordash, $130.50. I had Grubhub at $18.61, and then I had Spark at $48.91. Uber didn't hit me at all. And I drove 137.9 miles today. And it looks like I worked 11.2 miles today for that $198, which is just horrible. It's just horrible. So there's just no sense in me continuing to do this and just making, you know, I'm just making myself get further and further behind for the week. And I already lost a couple $100 last week trying to get Top Dasher. So, yeah, this is not working out the way I thought it would. And it's not working out the way a lot of people in different zones have said it would work out. So, good night, stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So anyway, guys, as you can see, it's getting dark outside. Okay, buddy, you can turn them lights off. That's annoying. Back out, do something, go. Come on, so I can finish my video.